Today's story is a heartbreaking case that has shocked not just the United Kingdom but the entire world. The tragic death of 10-year-old Sara Sharif has exposed unimaginable cruelty, years of neglect, and serious failures within the child protection system. Sara Sharif's father, stepmother, and uncle have now been convicted in her horrific murder. Her father, Urfan Sharif, 42, and stepmother, Benash Batul, 30, were sentenced to life in prison for what prosecutors called a campaign of abuse. Sara's uncle, Faisal Malik, was also sentenced to 16 years for causing or allowing her death. Sara's lifeless body was discovered on August 10, 2023, at the family home in Surrey, England. Her father had called police from Pakistan, confessing that he beat her up too much after what he called legal punishment. The details that emerged during the trial were horrifying. Sara had over 70 injuries, both fresh and old: bruises, fractures, bite marks, burns. A judge described the abuse as nothing short of torture. Justice John Kavanagh, during sentencing, condemned the trio for showing not a shred of true remorse. Sara's biological mother, Olga Sharif, called her daughter's killers cowards, sadists, and executioners. In a heart-wrenching statement, she said, "She is now an angel who looks down on us from heaven. She is no longer experiencing violence." This tragedy also exposed massive failures within the child protection system. Social services had been alerted repeatedly. Sara had bruises reported by her school, but authorities took no further action. Her father later withdrew her from school to hide the abuse. The Surrey County Council has now promised a full review into Sara's case. Politicians and experts are demanding immediate reforms to ensure this never happens again. Despite enduring so much, Sara's spirit shone through. Just 2 days before her death, she was seen dancing on camera, smiling, despite broken bones and injuries. Sara Sharif's story is a devastating reminder of how vulnerable children can slip through the cracks. While her killers are now behind bars, it's clear that justice alone isn't enough. The system must change so no child suffers like Sara ever again. If you or anyone you know is experiencing abuse, please seek help. Together we can protect the vulnerable and ensure tragedies like this are never repeated.